The pipeline is a useful tool to understand the stage where everyone is on your event in terms of their enrollment and attendance status. To get to the pipeline, go to People, Registration, and View Pipelines. There are many columns here. Beginning with the people list shows who is on your people list that have yet to progress further in their registration. They can be found via People and Create People list. The invite list shows you who is on the invitation list, and they may not have had their invitation sent out to them and thus have not moved on from this list, or they may not have completed their forms yet. Purchase Unfinished shows people who have yet to purchase an event ticket or are in the middle of filling it out. And Pending Approval shows who is waiting for an event administrator to officially admit them to the event. Lastly, there is the Approved section where people who are attending your event have completed all of the steps required to attend it.